trash, trash. Interesting. Let's do something with this. Alright, so bottle openers. Nobody really thinks about them. But what if they actually meant something? Let's fix that. So, I got a friend who's in a Blood Bowl league. You've heard me mention him before. He wanted me to make something for the players, something they would actually keep. Custom engraved bottle openers with the league logo. Christmas is in a couple of weeks, so timeline is tight, but it's doable. I'm making a number of these, but I'm going to walk you through a couple. This isn't really a tutorial, just showing you how I approach this kind of project. First step, this logo needs to be grayscale for the laser. Color doesn't mean anything to the engraver, it only reads light and dark values. I'm using Affinity Designer 2 for this. I've imported the logo and I'm going to desaturate it, then adjust some of the adjustment layer properties so the details actually pop. This is all about finding the balance. Too light, the laser barely touches it. Too dark, you lose all the detail. There we go, that'll work. Next step is to save it out. I'm saving it as a PNG with transparency so that only the things that the engraver needs to care about are seen. I got 10 of these for less than $8 off of AliExpress. Normally I do a test run on a piece of scrap, but I wanted to see how it reacts on this wood and make adjustments if necessary. I'm using my AlgoLaser Pixi here. If you want to see a review of this great little machine, I'll leave a link both in the description and you should see a card appear at the top. I used a little hammer tool to adjust the head so the laser is at the right focus and position the opener. Let's switch to the AlgoLaser app and I'll scale the design so it fits the opener right. I'll also move the head a bit. After making sure the laser was at the right spot for the opener and making sure I was at the highest quality, I started the engraving. The total time was around 25 minutes or so. Let's take a look at the finished opener. The skull's detail came through pretty clean. The cheerleader pom-poms are distinguishable. The borders didn't blow out. This is pretty solid. This wood seems to have a deep grain, so it did eat up some of the detail. Still, it looks good in person. This will just need minimal cleanup. Definitely good enough to move forward with the rest. One thing I didn't do on my first engrave was to put some guides on the engraving bed. If you want consistent results, you have to have some sort of jig or guide rails, so you can simply drop your object and redo the job and know that your finished products are going to be consistent. Here I put some tape to help me place the openers in the right spot. Same settings as the first one. Here we go. Just want to take a moment to say thanks for all your support. I'm always looking for fun topics to cover. If you have any suggestions, leave a comment below. Like what you see and want to see more? Let me know by hitting the like button. Thanks. Now let's check our engraving in progress. Okay, it's done. Let's see if it came out the same. This one came out a little bit darker than the first. Still, the positioning is spot on, and we kept all the detail. The artwork is sharp, though the wood grain in the center is making it seem a bit off color on camera. It's not as noticeable in real life, but it's there. This gets sanded, stained, and finished. I think we can remove some of those inconsistencies. Let me know if you want to see a video of that. So that's the process. 2 down, a few more to go. These aren't complicated projects, but they're personal. That's kind of the point, right? Anybody could buy a bottle opener. But something custom, something that actually connects to the thing that your friends care about, that's worth making. If you made it this far, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.